presenting a pre-owned 2017 Subaru Impreza Limited. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter H4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Subaru has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.